Okay, so for this one, it's in the form of quadratic where we're solving for r, it's our squared term. So I'm going to do like I would do for any other quadratic, get set to zero. So we're going to have 0 equals, and then I'm going to rewrite this as the stuff that's going to be the coefficient, and then the r squared. So I'm going to write this as pi s, and then r squared. So that's acting like my s squared. And then right here I can see that a is going to be pi s. And then here, I will write that as pi s r. And so b is also pi s. And then for c, we're going to bring this a over to this side, and that's going to be negative a, and c equals negative a. So then we're just going to take this stuff and put it in the quadratic formula. So it's going to be r equals negative b, so negative pi over s. That's going to be hard to see in a second. Let me get rid of that. Plus or minus big old root pi s squared minus 4 times a times c, so 4 times a would be pi s, and then times c is negative a, so I'm going to go positive a there, and then the negative times that negative is going to switch that one around to a positive. And then that will all be over 2a, so that is 2 pi s in the denominator. So then, to write this answer, I think it has 2 boxes for the answer, so it's looking for this first fraction and then this second fraction. So for the second fraction, it looks exactly, or the second box, it looks exactly like that. That's what you're typing in the second box, so I don't have to rewrite it. And then for the first box, that's this fraction, because remember this denominator belongs to this piece and this piece. So if I split that into 2 fractions, that would be the second one. And the first part would be this. And then notice if I reduce a little bit there, I can reduce out pi, I can reduce out s. And so what that means is this reduces down to negative 1/2. And so that's what would be going in the first answer box. Hopefully that helps.